Hey Mike, here's the color scheme that I pretty much put on the internet, and or actually on my front. Here's the top of the wing. These are at 30-degree pitches, okay? I went a little shallow. I was going to put them at 45s and roll it over a little bit more, but I left it like that. That, of course, gets covered up by the fuse, but this makes it all solid. As you can see, I don't know if you can see it, but there's my inside. There's my fiberglass with the 20-minute epoxy put on it. And then actually did the yellow first on the inside. It's one big sheet here. And then you can turn around and you do the top on this side, one big piece. Actually do this piece right across here, which rolls over to this side. And there's the bottom. Going back to the top, then this part goes on. Then we did the other side the same way with this part. And we overlapped these two pieces here. These are two pieces. We did those actually, of course, last. Gerald did a lot of the work. God love him. But we fuel-proofed everything, of course. You got to seal all this area so that you don't get any actual fuel breakdown. This is the inside, the fuse. I wanted to come. This is the bottom of it, actually. This is my scheme, of course, what I wanted to show you on the flow underneath, where you're going to see when you're flying. And line those up. You got to put them on the ailerons, or actually put the hinges in, and then you just make your marks on the inside, and you overlap. This is all monocoat, so you overlap 1/4 inch. Take this all in. There's a little bit of imperfection, but you know what? Like I said, it's got character. Definitely put L hinges in here. So, like for instance, when you're running in these edges in the top here, you put like a small piece about as wide as my finger, angle an L hinge in, and then you fold it over, and then you overlap with this stripe. Cut, and then of course, as we brought it all the way up, we took the bottom ones and brought them up solid all the way. Same on the other side. As you can see on the profile, it's good. You know how this thing came down when we made it, and we made this so that the yellow is going to come at an angle with the fuselage, and it's going to stop right there, but the red's going to continue underneath the base all the way to the tail. Well, that's it for now. Come a long way, baby, and all the hard work that you put into it, man, it's all paid off so far. So there you go. Thanks, man.